Oh. Okay, what is up, guys? So this video started out as Christmas ride, last minute shopping, just having some fun on the KLX, and I finished my shopping and decided to go to the Toys R Us lot / Orchard lot and have some fun. Well, yeah, might have messed up a bit, so be sure to stick around to the end of this video and I'll tell you guys my plans moving forward. And oh yeah, if you guys can't tell, I'm a little under the weather, but I'm feeling good. It's just my nose is kind of clogged up, so all good there. But it'd mean a lot if you guys would go down, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers before the end of the year. We got about 3 days left to do it, and we need about 20 subscribers, so that should be pretty easy to do. Go down there, hit that subscribe button, and just like that, we'll be at 500 subscribers, halfway to 1,000. So things are moving up quick, and things are going to get exciting as we keep on growing. But that is all I have to say for you guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video and have some fun laughing at my mistake. What is up, everybody? Merry Christmas to you all. We are out on the KLX today. Of course, for me it is Christmas Eve. For you guys it's either the day after Christmas or Christmas Day. But I am going to be doing some last minute Christmas shopping, and I need to go to the mall and get some items. But I hope you all are having a great day today. Hopefully we don't run into too much traffic here. That is why I am on the KLX, because if we do, well, I'll be able to get around it easier than I would be able to in my car. Alright, here we go. Look at all that traffic we would have to sit through. Nice little shortcut there. Alright, first stop, Dick's Sporting Goods. Alright, we're here. Let's go ahead and get inside, get what we need, and we'll be out in a second. Alright, done at Dick's. Now the short run to Target. And just like that, here we are. Alright, let's get a nice parking spot here. There we go. Come on. Alright, see you guys in a sec. Alright, we are done at Target. Now, it is time to get home. Oh. Well, maybe ride around a little bit. Let's see if we can get into some shenanigans. Oh, before we head home real quick. Oh, nice privacy plate. And would you look at that? Here we are. Got to give it the right amount of throttle and a little bit of a yank. There we go. Whoa. Here's a steep hill. Let's see if the KLX can get up. Oh, jeez. Nope. And there goes my bar. Well, looks like this is the end of this video. Uh-oh. Am I leaking something? Well, looks like I'll need a new set of bars here. And it looks like I'll need to be careful going home. Alright everybody, here we are in the garage. And as you can see, here's the handlebar. Yeah, it's definitely bent down. It's like a cafe racer bike now. And the bar's folded like a cheap plastic straw. Nothing else here got touched. As you guys saw, most of it landed in the dirt. Here and here. But the bars landed on the pavement and they got bent. Everything else good, just need some new bars. And I'll probably go with Pro Tapers. 1 1/8 inch, so I'll need an adapter, but everything is pretty much good on it. Alright guys, Future Jeff here. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm feeling a little under the weather here, but that's okay, still making the video. But a little update here. So yeah, the bars are cracked here, but I just wanted to say this video isn't meant to be negative or anything. It's just what it is, and you learn from experience. So next time I go up that hill, I'll make sure that I take it with enough speed so I'm not lugging the bike and the bike doesn't stall. But I'm gonna have to get some new bars here, so if you guys want to pick up some merch, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so we'll get some bars here in the next couple of days, and then we'll get them on the bike and we'll be back to riding again. But yeah, I should have a Corvette video, 1 or 2 of them, and then get the bar slapped on like I said. And oh yeah, I got some new gear, so that's good too. But one thing's for sure, I will attack that hill again and I'm gonna get up it. I think that is gonna do it. So if you enjoyed the video, of course give this video a big thumbs up, and it really mean a lot. And of course, share this video to your friends and those who may enjoy it, or in this case probably learn from it. And of course hit that subscribe button. Trying to hit 500 subscribers before the end of the year. This might be the last video of 2019. I'm gonna work on a little rewind for you guys, so give me a few days for that as well. And yeah, that is gonna do it. So with all that being said, join the club and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, jeez. Nope.
I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest bitch in my competition.